Chad from Apex 2022 with the TOPDON PulseQ EV charger. As we see more and more EV vehicles on the road and more EV vehicles coming from the factory with a wimpy little 110 EV charging station, the PulseQ could be your solution for EV charging of your vehicle. The unique PulseQ design allows us to install this inside or outside because of its weatherproof casing. The unit does come automatically equipped with a 1450 NEMA 50 amp plug to be able to provide 40 amps of EV charging. But that can be removed to hardwire it to install outside. One of the other unique features about the PulseQ EV charger is our ability to use an RFID card to be able to activate the charging. So if you do install this outside and you have an area where you don't want someone else to plug into your power supply, you can use an RFID card to activate that. Or you can use an app for activation, or it can be plug and play. Multiple options depending on what you need. The unit comes with a J1772 connector that can be used on the majority of our EV vehicles. If you do have a unique EV vehicle, you can also get adapters to be able to adapt the J1772 to those vehicle types. With those adapters, we can simply click that onto our J1772, insert into the vehicle. If we have it in plug and play mode, you can see it will automatically start charging. If you do want to use the RFID card, you simply place that against the charger and you can hear it beep and click, and now it's charging as well. Lots of options when it comes to the PulseQ, many on the app as well. We can set our charging rate depending on our vehicle. We can set our max charge, our time. So if you want to save money by charging at night, you can select that in the app to only charge at certain hours of the day. So make sure you check out the PulseQ from TOPDON. Check with your local distributors because this will be on the shelves very soon.